Mitsy Kit Fleece Tote Bag Overcast Stitch Instructions. First, thread one of your fleece ribbon tails through the eye of the plastic needle. Then, tie a knot in the end of the fleece ribbon. You're going to go top down through the upper left corner holes of your tote bag and pull the ribbon through until the knot stops you. Then, bring your ribbon up over the edge of the fabric and go top down through the next hole and continue this going top down through all of the holes on this side. At the last hole in the corner, bring your needle and ribbon up from the bottom through to the top, leaving the tail on top. Remove your needle and lace another fleece strip through the eye and knot the end. Now you're going to be lacing up the right side. Go top down through the corner hole and repeat lacing top down through all of the holes on the right side of the bag, once again until you reach the bottom corner hole. Here, again, come bottom up through this hole and leave your fleece ribbon tail on the top. Remove your plastic needle from this fleece tail and lace your third ribbon through the eye of the needle. But this time, you won't tie a knot. Go top down through one of the corner holes on the bottom side, right beside the prior ribbon tail you just pulled through, and even out the tails so they're about the same length. Repeat going top down through the holes along the bottom side, and at the corner hole, come bottom up next to the other ribbon tail. Then you're going to tie either double knots or bows in the two bottom corners. Once you've completed this, you're ready to trim the tails on each of the corners of your tote bag. Use some scissors and trim off the excess. And that completes your tote bag. Mitsy Kit tote bags are both fun and functional. Enjoy putting them together and then enjoy using them. Our adaptive crafts are made to help people of all ages enjoy crafting. Reminiscent of sewing, but easy to do. Happy crafting!